WUSA 9 Weather Watch is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Jonathan Myers, and here's a look at your WUSA9.com weather webcast. Yes, we did see some snow overnight and wasn't quite as much as expected, but especially on the roadways. But in any case, some places did actually stack up a little bit here, especially West Virginia. Kaiser getting about 5 inches of snow. Hardy at 4. Lovettsville, Virginia, that's back down out into western Loudoun County, about 2.5. Dulles Airport did get just over an inch, but Reagan, holy God, yeah, that's it. Just 1/10 of an inch of snow, and a lot of this was only on the grassy surfaces. Not helping us out here with the accumulation. Got up to 50 yesterday, only made it down to about 33 to 36 or so overnight, and the heaviest of the snow was up in Pennsylvania. So those snowfall rates were not enough to overcome that warmer ground, especially on those paved surfaces. Ridgely, Maryland. Here are some of your Maryland totals. 3 inches of snow. Norbeck, 2.4, 2.2 in Bloomfield. So some of these locations, some of the more hilly spots, well north and west up toward Montgomery County, Frederick County. Boonesboro just shy of 2 inches, and then Crofton in Anne Arundel County ending up with about 1.5 inches of snow there. Big pattern change coming. Here we go. It looks like sunshine is going to be back in our future and no more big snow chances either. Fair weather high pressure means quiet over the next few days, and also lots of sun and eventually a warming trend. Now today will not be a part of that warming trend as we see the exit of our latest weather maker going with a high of 40 to 45 here in DC. Again, the winds are going to make it feel colder than that. 41 at Manassas. Temperature at 40 degrees at BWI, where they got 2.2 inches of snow last night. 38 degrees at Leesburg, and temperatures at Joint Base Andrews at about 40. Well north and west, a little bit colder, as is typical, in the mid to upper 30s there. Tonight's low temperatures at 21 at Gaithersburg, so yes, it will be cold, especially where you may still have some snow-covered ground. It won't be everybody, but look at Frederick at 24, 23 at Hagerstown, 23 at Leesburg. Some of these sheltered valleys down to the south getting very cold. Manassas at 19 degree reading there at Culpeper, 18 at Luray, and 19 at Harrisonburg. Inside the Beltway in D.C. at 26. Joint Base Andrews at 25, Annapolis at 28, up into central northern Maryland in the mid-20s. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can expect as we head through the remainder of the weekend. Temperatures again going to start cold for your Saturday into our Saturday midday afternoon. Back up, still chilly for this time of year. Should be close to 50. I think we'll be probably about 40 to 45 by about 4:30 p.m. It's 36 DC. Leesburg at 34, 35. BWI La Plata at 37. Fredericksburg at 39. Culpeper going to be in the 30s, and wind chills will be about 5 to 10 degrees colder. It's going to be gusty with winds up to about 20, 25 miles an hour at times. So keep that in mind. That's how you have to dress as you're maybe dusting off any of the leftover snow on the car. Overnight into early Sunday, notice temperatures again falling back down to those cold levels, which means potentially there could be some refreezing if you do have any leftover moisture on the ground. Not everyone's going to have it. I think the winds are going to do their job kind of getting rid of a lot of the wetness on the roadways. But again, especially those areas that got 3, 5, even up to 2 to 3 inches of snow well north and west could have some black ice and refreeze to deal with Sunday morning for heading out early. Temperatures beginning the day in the 30s, but again, a meager rise into the low to mid 40s likely downtown and the metro area. Outlying areas may only stay in the 30s today. Temperatures going to feel again more like the 30s all day long, and at times very close to freezing as we head through about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning and then into the mid-afternoon. Feels just shy of 40. Real field temperatures back down to close to freezing by about 8, 9 o'clock this evening as the winds begin to die down. Look at your high temperatures over the next 5 days. 42 for your Saturday. Nice recovery on Sunday, back to 47. We're going to keep our fingers crossed here. We could make it back into the 50s Monday for President's Day, Tuesday and Wednesday. Low to mid 50s there. Your 10-day forecast again should be at about 49 on average. And how about that? Low to mid 50s all the way through the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Count that out there. 5 days of 50 plus. back down to 47 in the wake of our next system that could come through Thursday into Friday. Go to 47 there Saturday, and then back to the 50s again next Sunday and Monday. So look at your 7-day forecast for the DC metro area. It's brisk and cold for your Saturday. High temperature about 42, dropping to 26 overnight, back up to 47 on Sunday. Seasonable chill winds died down. We're back to 50 for President's Day on Monday. Tuesday, pleasant with a high near 50. 51 on, I should say for President's Day on Monday, 50. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're back to about 50 to 55. And it looks like low to mid 50s with some likely rain later Thursday with 50s on Friday. Have a good day and a wonderful weekend.